Good morning students. So today we will do chapter number 3, which is safety and first aid. So we have studied this chapter in class 3rd where we have learned some safety rules. So in this class we will know more about safety rules. So let's start with our chapter. So students, what is a safety? So safety is a condition of being protected from any danger, risk or injury. And why should we follow safety rules? We often get hurt at home, in school, in the playground or on the road. And why do accidents happen with us? These are due to our carelessness. And how can we avoid these accidents? By being alert, careful and following safety rules, we can avoid accidents. So why should we follow safety rules? We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. So let's talk about safety rules at home. Since homes are very comfortable for us, but we may get hurt due to our carelessness, like sleeping on the floor. Sometimes we slip or fall on the wet floor. To avoid this, we should follow these safety rules like keep the floor dry. Floors of kitchen and bathroom should not be slippery. There should be no water. And you should never leave your toys on the floor or stairs because you may trip over your toys like this boy. So let's learn safety rules to avoid fire accidents in the kitchen. So in case of gas leakage, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. Do not light the matchsticks or candles in case of gas leakage. Turn off electric switches at the time of gas leakage. And don't wear synthetic clothes in kitchen because they can catch fire very easily. And don't play with things which are made up of glass because if they break, they may cause cuts and wounds. Moreover, do not pick up anything from a burning stove. Always stay away from a burning gas stove. Now let's talk about safety rules to avoid electric shocks. So let's learn about safety rules to avoid electric shocks. So don't touch an electrical gadget or switch with wet hands or barefoot because you may get electric shock. Don't go too close to heaters or table fans when they are on. Always turn off the switches before touching them. Don't touch a damaged wire because it may be carrying electric current. When you find someone gets an electric shock, turn off the main switch immediately. So students, due to careless consumption of food and medicines, we may get poisoned. So to avoid such accidents, we should follow these safety rules. Never take any medicine unless your parents or a doctor gives it to you. All poisonous chemicals like floor cleaners and detergents should be kept away from eatables and reach of the children. Don't eat stale, spoiled and exposed food because it can cause food poisoning. So let's talk about safety rules in the playground. So playground is a place where we go to play with our friends and family members. So we must follow safety rules while playing in the playground. Like we should not push or hit each other while playing. Don't play rough games. We should stay away from swings when someone is using them. And do not jump from seesaw without informing your partner because you and your friend may get hurt due to these kind of acts. So let's talk about safety rules at school. So to avoid any kind of accident, we should follow these safety rules. Do not rush or push each other because you and your friend may get hurt. And do not jump on the benches because you may fall from the bench and may get hurt. And do not throw things in the class. Now let's talk about safety rules on the road. So always walk on the footpath. Always cross a road at the zebra crossing. If there is no zebra crossing, then first look to the right, then to the left, then again to the right. If no vehicle is there, then you can cross a road. And always follow the traffic lights. If there is a red signal, then you should not cross a signal. And if there is a green, then you can cross a signal. And never run or play on the road, and never cross a road behind a parked vehicle.
Safety and first aid. Accidents may happen anytime, anywhere, without giving us any warning. We often get hurt at home, in school, playground, or on the road. Most of the accidents occur due to our carelessness. We can avoid most of the accidents by following safety rules. Safety at home. Slipping on the floor. A wet floor is dangerous and can harm you. You can slip or fall on wet floor easily. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. Keep the floor dry. Floors of kitchen and bathroom should not be slippery. Never leave your toys on the floor or stairs. You can trip over your toys. Never try to reach something beyond your reach. Fire in the kitchen. Accidents due to the fire in the kitchen can cause serious injury. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. In case of a gas leakage, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. Never try to pick up anything over a burning gas stove. Never wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. They catch fire easily. Electric shocks. Electrical appliances are very useful to us, but they can be dangerous when handled carelessly. To avoid electric shocks, follow these safety rules. Never touch an electrical gadget or switch with wet hands or barefooted. Do not go too close to heaters or table fans when they are on. Never touch a damaged wire. When someone gets an electric shock, turn off the main switch immediately. Poisoning. Poisoning is also a common kind of accident at home. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. Never eat any medicine unless your parents or a doctor gives it to you. Do not eat stale, spoilt and exposed food. It can cause food poisoning. All poisonous chemicals should be kept away from eatables and reach of the children. Safety on the playground. We must be very careful while playing. Follow these safety rules at the playground. Do not push or hit each other while playing. Do not play the rough games. Safety at school. In school, many accidents happen when children are in a hurry. To avoid such accidents, do not rub or push, especially on the stairs. Do not run about or climb on the desks. Do not throw things around in the class. Safety on the road. Most accidents on the road are the result of careless driving and carelessness of the pedestrian. We should follow these safety rules on road. Always walk on the footpath. Always cross the road at a zebra crossing. When there is no zebra crossing, look first to your right, then left, and then to your right again. When no vehicle is coming, then cross the road. Never cross a road behind a parked vehicle. Always follow the traffic lights.
So this is about the safety rules. So we will continue the next part of this chapter in our next class. So thank you. Have a nice day.